Civil defense mock drills across 244 districts on May 7th. Key details. The Union Home Minister will conduct civil defense mock drills in 244 districts on May 7th, 2025 to enhance India's preparedness against threats following Pakistan's missile tests. The Union Ministry of Home Affairs has announced civil defense mock drills across 244 districts on May 7th, 2025. This large-scale exercise follows Pakistan's recent missile test under Exercise Indus and is aimed at strengthening India's civil defense preparedness against new and complex threats. The drills are part of proactive measures and not an indication of an immediate conflict. Purpose of the mock drills: assess the preparedness of civil defense mechanisms at state and union territory levels, enhance coordination among civilians and emergency response units, test response to hostile attacks, national emergencies, and complex threats, strengthen district and village level emergency systems. The drills are being conducted under the Civil Defense Rules 1968. Preparations underway. Union Home Secretary Govind Mohan reviewed the national level preparations via video conferencing with chief secretaries and civil defense heads. Rehearsals have already been conducted at key locations such as Dal Lake, Srinagar, and Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. The exercise will be closely monitored by senior officials at both district and central level. What to expect during the drill? Participants: district controllers, local authorities, civil defense wardens, home guards, active and reserve, NCC cadets, NSS volunteers, NYKS members, college and school students. Activities: evacuation drills with prior public announcements, testing of air raid warning systems, simulation of war-like emergencies by police and paramilitary forces, temporary blackouts or suspension of mobile networks in some areas, traffic diversions and controlled movement restrictions, testing of the main and shadow district control rooms, local decision-making. Each district administration will decide the specific timings and scale of the operations. For example, Uttar Pradesh DGP Prashant Kumar confirmed that local authorities will manage the timings. Important notes for civilians. Drills are pre-planned exercises to improve readiness, no cause for panic. Cooperation from the public is crucial during evacuation exercises and simulations. Civilians may experience minor temporary disruptions, but emergency services will remain operational. The nationwide civil defense mock drills aim to strengthen India's emergency preparedness amid growing regional tensions. The Union Home Ministry emphasizes that these are preventive measures focused on enhancing resilience, not a reaction to any immediate threat. Citizens are advised to stay informed through official announcements and extend full cooperation to the authorities during the drills on May 7th.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.